Hello, civil engineers. I hope you all are fine, but not fine with low salary job careers or lingering plans from your project manager to increase your salary, right? If you are struggling to find high paying jobs or stuck in routine site works and you want to move in head office, let me show you how to learn Primavera P6, and it can change, it can transform your career. In road construction projects, it's not just about the work on site. It's about planning, scheduling, controlling like a professional. Stay tuned till the end of today's video. I'm going to show you people here right now. I'm going to share Primavera P6 dashboard, and this quick video is going to fill your mind that how this skill set is going to change your job career and overall overview of this job career and skill set as well. So right now we are on this PMIS, Project Management Information System Primavera P6, and you can see this is road construction project having divided into four categories. This is actually called WBS. WBS is highly, scope management kind of, terminology, work breakdown structure. First of all, we are going to divide our project into different kind of sections. And then further, you can see that this, my first section is filled with my road works, different kind of, site oriented activities, road work, sub base, structure works, major structures, there are bridges. So everything is, over here in WBS. And then I'm going to, uh, you know, explain all these things. You see, it was minimized and I just maximized each and everything. Now you can see my project in the full details, right? So if I can shift to the activities window, that's how your all the project will look like. See over here, you can see that roadworks, I need to have earthworks to be, completed on the first stage, then my other sub base works, so surface pavement works. So this is called my scope management. Scope management is actually project management, higher knowledge area in which you are going to document each and every task need to be carried out on the site area. So the first priority as a planning engineer, you need to document all the things need to be carried out on site area. Either those are bridge construction works, activities, or any other structure work activities. So there is a complete learning how to document that scope management. In this video, I'm going to just touch each project management knowledge area, and I'm just giving you the insights how planning engineers are going to work on road construction projects. So you can see that this is bridge is already divided into different kind of its work packages. See, abutment, walls, piers, transom, girders, diaphragms, curtain valves, wing valves, deck slab, miscellaneous works, and complete every task is covered there. And against every activity, there is a defined date and there are defined days as well. So this area will be dealt by our productivity, time management, resource management, and cost management. If I will go into the details of every single activity, you can find here, there are certain things we need to perform. Like into the journal, you can see that we have to define all the tracking items. Into the resources, we have to define that what kind of people we require to complete this activity. And relationship is going to define these lines. You can see on this side that before this reinforcement as per ASHTO, what kind of activity need to be done. Like you can see that launching of girder, right? Launching of girder, where it is launching of girder, because before we need to make reinforcement, we need to complete this one. So these need to be understandable, like what is predecessor, what is successor. Actually, these concepts are going to deal with our dependency model. If we are going to understand as a site engineer, as a jobless engineer, if you have nothing to do, you need to understand these logics, these concepts, definitions, and you can become a planning engineer. Like what is predecessor, what is successor, what is critical path method, what is time management, what is scope management, and what is resource management. And after that, we need to understand what are the different kind of methodologies of cost management. So, by doing all these things, we are going to make a project schedule. This project schedule is the most important document before we are going to start our, execution or site work. And once it's done, this is going to be called a baseline. We are going to save this document within our Primavera P6. And you can see this is our different kind of sections from our quantity surveyors. A lot of people are going to have a lot of questions like, how can I memorize all these activities? These are actually ready-made templates as well, available from the OPAs, organizational process assets, or documents from the company. You need to learn how to load this data from Excel, Word document, or from your team meeting MOMs, and then understand as a planning engineer. Okay, and then you have to load, maintain the logic, define their durations as per your productivity sheets and resource crew factors, right? So once you are going to make all these things within your Primavera P6, you are going to develop a document guideline module for the site people, for the quality assurance, quality control people, for the site engineers, for the supervisors who are going to implement these project schedules on site area, right? So you are going to get those work done. Like after that, you are going to develop those templates like to track these projects. I'll be sharing with you. In road construction projects, you have different kind of things like here aggregate base course. So you are going to divide your complete road into such kind of chainages, right? And every day there is something filling out, embankment, sub base, subgrade, and you are going to have all these like prime code. These are daily basis templates, and NJB like divider, ACBC, DPR, tag code, AWC, TST, typical sections. All these things will be tracked by these templates. And then after that, you can have other things to track as well. I'll be sharing that one as well, like your daily basis embankment, like you can see this is your bar chart area. If your higher management is going to track your project, see, this is your layers. Whenever you are going to build any road, big expressway, motorway, okay, so your road chain should be divided after 25 meter. Let's see, like this 51 plus this one, then this one, then this one, right? This is on the difference of 50 meter, right? So every 50 meter is divided and is colored. There is a first layer is done, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and some. That is how visualized progress will be documented to show on your project. And then you can see over here, weather sheet is also part of this, our tracking for daily basis, right? And that is how you are going to make your project progress tracking on the daily basis. There is one baseline which you are going to complete on Primavera P6, which is going to define your project dates, that how many days it will require to complete, and what kind of resources, how many resources you require, okay, your management plans, your CPM. So all the logic will be compiled on Primavera P6. And on the basis of this logic, you are going to implement this schedule on site, and then you are going to track your work done on the basis of these daily templates, which I'm going to share on the screen. And then we have here one more template, which is going to calculate the percentage. Like you can see that we have this 16-kilometer section of our road construction project. This is 23 kilometer. This is 20. So that is why we have divided our project into four sections. So you can see this is first layer of asphalt, 16 kilometer. This is calculated to, calculate the progress percentage. If, this is done 8 kilometer, see, this one is done. So if we are going to add any number over here, automatically it is going to give you the how much progress has been, covered, right? So these are the templates you are going to implement once you are going to work as a planning engineer. So it's very easy to understand. So every activity you can see aggregate base course, sub base, subgrade, asphalt wearing course, TST, prime code, tag code, fence, NJB, and all these things have progress calculators as well. Otherwise, when you are working as a civil engineer in a project planning control discipline, so how you are going to track different kind of structures. So these are the WBS work package scope management plans as well for the concerning structures. You can see that. So as a coach, I train people as a planning engineer on road construction projects as well, that how to document, how to make your project schedules on Primavera P6, how to understand your work, how to implement time management, cost management, how to create your daily progress reports, weekly progress reports, your manpower histograms, your resource tracking sheets. So if you are civil engineer and you want to grow your job career in road construction side, so you should contact with my team. You should take career coaching, that either this skill set is going to help you to land in better companies, to upgrade your job career, to upgrade your skill sets as a planning engineer in the specific road construction industry. Then you should must contact with us. Thank you very much. This is I hope this is going to be very beneficial for you people who are civil engineers. I have electrical engineers job career, Primavera P6 oriented projects, mechanical, oil and gas, but product oriented things will help you a lot. Either you need any construction project training regarding petrochemical industry, fertilizer, refinery. At the end of this training, I just want to mention that some people are going to get away by thinking that only road construction project training is available. It's not like that. You will find maintenance planning, you will find airport construction project, oil and gas pipeline, offshore, many other trainings, using Primavera P6, EPC planning and shutdown management as well. Thank you very much.